People and we have been very clear. Poroim is a part of urban and rural areas.
Okay.
Urban rural areas, we call it urban panchayats. We are having three panchayats, Sukur, Salvador, Pena de Franc, and the people's demand till date is that they should retain the identity of the panchayats. The question of PDA coming into Poroim does not arise. As regards to the other areas, the Town and Country Planning Minister, I think, is the right person to comment along with the Chief Minister on the issue of adding new PDAs as per the growth and population increase and planning and development. I think it's better that they comment on the subject. But as far as Pororim is concerned, I'm very clear that we are retaining the panchayat identities and PDA is not a part where we are looking at as far as Pororim is concerned. I don't think there is any consideration of Pororim coming into it. This is some media reports which are maybe creating some confusion. There is no talk about these things happening. As far as Greater Panjim Plan is concerned, North Goa PDA is concerned, the planning is towards Talegaon, Santa Cruz, Agasai and those type of areas. Porvorim has not come into discussion at all, and I don't think it will come into discussion.